Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on your Oppo A78. So when you have your first WhatsApp account and you need to create a second one with separated contacts, messages, number of course, I'm gonna show you the two fast tricks for that. The first one is by opening the Google Play Store and look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal app. Slide down and look for the WhatsApp Business. This is the second app from the WhatsApp, and by this app you can activate two separated accounts on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one. You have to go to the Play Store like before and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them. I have installed it before that one, so we have to open it, decide that you want to get notification, and agree the terms. Allow permissions to files, and now just tap on the WhatsApp, and whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the second WhatsApp app and account. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscriber comment, and goodbye.